So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to change the layer timing here in Alight Motion. So if I were to add a new layer right here, I'll press Media, I'll select the video of the cat right here. As you can tell, my layers are different timings. If you want to make one maybe longer, one shorter, or whatever, you can tap and hold the layer, press and hold the arrow on the right. If you want to make it longer, extend to the right. If you want to make it less, extend to the left. Now all of a sudden, if you were to go ahead and just move it wherever you want to move it, so right here, the layers are now different lengths, which is pretty cool. If you wanted to maybe make this one longer, you can drag and hold, bring it this way, so then if you were to play it right here, it's obviously a different length. And the same thing, you can drag this, you can bring it longer, and you can just kind of play around with it this way and do what you got to do. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to change layer timing here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.